Hey guys, how's it going? I want to do a product review this morning on my Syma X5uw drone. But before I do that, I want to remind you guys to be sure and subscribe to my channel and also like this video. And even if you don't like this video, why don't you just share it with all your friends, and that way you guys can talk about why you don't like it. But anyway, back to the drone here. Syma has a really good lineup of drones and things. They're a really good company about this. But with this drone here, I think it's really good for the beginner like myself. And it's really good. It's really easy to control. It's affordable. And so anyway, let's get to that. Yeah, I just want to show you a few aerials and stuff here with the drone. Show you how good of a camera and everything, how good it works. Also, I was going to add that you get about 7.5 minutes of flight time. It takes about an hour to charge it, but about 7.5 minutes of flight time, especially if we're shooting video and everything on it. If you want to skip ahead and miss the aerials here, I think it's about 2 minutes and 33 seconds into the video if you decide to skip ahead. Alright guys, and here's the drone, the Syma X5. Like I said, it's a good little drone. It's very nice looking. I love the colors and everything they have with this one. Nice little camera here on the bottom of it. It's very lightweight. I like the way they have the LED lights out and underneath the motors, and that way when it's up high and away from you, it's pretty easy to still tell which direction that it's traveling in. You don't get mixed up in which way it's going. But with this little drone here, it has a 4-channel remote, which right here is the remote as well to it. With mine, I use mine with my phone here, my iPhone. So I put this little clip here on it. It just snaps off and on right here into the back. Very easily done. Like I said, it's very easily controlled. You know, you have your height and, bring it back down to land. Also though, the one thing I don't like about this, and I think is a bad design with this model, is if you hold this button down too long as you're bringing it down, it will shut off entirely, and you'll come crashing down out of the air. So be sure that when you're bringing this down, don't push it all the way down. Just hold it a little bit like this and let it slowly come down. It does have a push button, 1-button landing as well, and also 1-button taking off as well with this. And you can also control this drone with your phone, your iPad or tablet or whatever it is you may have. You have to download the app. It's the Syma Go app, and it's free to download as well. And like I said, with all that, I will put this description and everything in. I'll put the links in the description down below, so that way you guys can check it out and check out the prices of this. Like I said, it's very affordable and very good for beginners. You can also, one of the things I like about it while you're using your your smartphone or your tablet or whatever you may have, you can do the flight plan on it, because you can fly it with just that. You don't necessarily have to have the remote if you download this app. Also, a little handy to point out that on the box here, I'll get it up and get it right to it here in just a minute. Just bear with me here. You can also take it with your phone and scan these codes and stuff right here and go directly to the Syma site there for the download the Syma app. It also has the one button flip, so you want to do little tricks and things like that for the, you know, the flips and the 360 flips. You just push one button for that. You know, it connects up with your phone and your devices by using Wi-Fi. The controller we have right now uses 4 AA batteries, which is located back here. You just need a little Phillips screwdriver to take that out. And one of the things I like, and what most of you guys probably already know when if you're researching this and looking this up on the video, for the FPV, I like that because, you know, you can take it, even if it's out of sight, you can still see where the drone is going, you know, using your device. Which, you know, that's just a live downlink using the Wi-Fi to your smartphone or device. The distance on this drone is about 50 to 100 meters, which 100 meters is almost 330 feet, which is a pretty good distance. The camera is a HD 720p video. Like I said, this has been out for a little while. At the time, that camera was the best that they offered on these models. This has been out, I think, since about 2016. So it has been out for a little while. But like I said, it's still very good, very reliable, and a whole lot of fun to fly. I love mine. One of the other neat little features on this as well, which I know is on a lot of the other drones, is the headless mode. Which, if you don't know what that means, the drone will fly in whichever direction that you're facing, that the controller is facing. It doesn't matter, you know, you just push forward on the controller, push forward on the control stick here, and it doesn't matter if it's facing front or back or whatever, it'll fly in the direction that's forward, away from the controller. Like I said, guys, I'll put all this up, all the descriptions and everything, all the links in the description of this video. And be sure to like it, subscribe to this video. I'm also going to put some in-flight here that I did the other day, just a little bit around my house, kind of show you what the camera and everything does, and how good it does. It's pretty good little camera. Like I said, very good beginner drone. If you have any questions or anything that I didn't cover in here, like I said, I'm still getting used to all this video and stuff like that. Be sure to comment, and also like and subscribe to this channel. And like I said earlier, hey, even if you don't like it, share it with all your friends. That way you guys can get a laugh about it and talk about what you don't like. But whatever you do, hey, share this video and subscribe. Y'all have a good day. Thank you.